Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing jerk chicken legs and we're doing quick 2 ingredients and we're gonna have it in the air fryer. Quick and easy, less than 30 minutes. Awesome meal, can have it with rice and peas. And here we go, we have this chicken legs. We already washed it with lime and rinse it, and now we're gonna add our jerk. This is Grace Jamaican jerk sauce seasoning, and we're gonna have about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of hot jerk sauce. Badia, it's my go-to seasoning. Badia is my go-to seasoning, complete, it has everything in it and really tastes good on the chicken. I'm gonna put about a 1/3 cup of seasoning on it. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna sprinkle it over. Okay, stir it around. Have gloves on your hands so the pepper won't get into your hands or your fingers. Just a sprinkle it around. It's not a lot of chicken, so we're just doing for serving for 4 persons. I have a small family, so it's easy for me to do a small amount, and then we just give it a stir. Okay, for my air fryer, it's easy, simple. Just press the button, we press roast, and we press start. We preheat it. After we preheat it, it will tell us to add the food. We're gonna add the jerk chicken. Now that the chicken is soaked with season. Wonderful. And we're gonna add the chicken. We'll be back with the chicken add in the air fryer. Okay, quick if you're in a college dorm, if you want a quick to go jerk chicken Jamaican style, this is the easiest way to do it without spending a long time with the oven. Okay, I'm going to be adding the chicken to the air fryer, and then we're going to leave it for a few minutes. Then we're going to go back and check it. We're going to turn it. Okay. Well, let's just wipe the top right there. Air fryer is not working. Okay, now it's time to check the air fryer. Let us see what's going on with the chicken, if it's ready to turn. Okay, looking great. We're gonna get ready to turn them on the other side. Okay, back to cooking. Okay guys, this is the jerk chicken. When it's done, it is beautiful. I'm gonna cut it so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like when you chop it open. Well done on the inside. This is a great side. You can pick this up at the supermarket. Quick to go. Sweet kale. It's already pre-made. You just stir it and you just add it. This is the finished dish. Jerk chicken, rice and peas with veg on the side. Awesome, wonderful dish.